Hi there, I'm back. Sorry I got cut off. I guess I'm going too long, so I'll make this quick. The second due date for week 7, you will need to finish a reverse engineer post by doing the 3 comments as usual and include those in your submission. Now remember, it's not just like, hey, I agree with you, nice post. You need to start a conversation, not end it. So they need to be quality comments. And what you'll submit to iLearn by the second due date is your screenshot of your original post. That does not mean a screenshot of the link that you put on Facebook. It's your original blog post as well as the link to the blog post. This is so I can actually see the blog post within your submission and read it there and grade it there so I don't have to backtrack and find it. So a lot of people are doing that incorrectly. Make sure you do it correctly for full points this week. And include your comments and upload that to iLearn by Saturday night. Now we're going to scroll down to see how you finish the 7 posts assignment. So what is due by the second deadline is you'll need to include, you'll see down here what you're including. Well, I'll get back to that. You're going to be finalizing your captions. So before we had the caption drafts, now you're going to refine it and make it final. And you'll want to make sure that the grammar and the spelling and everything is correct on those. And then for each of the posts, you are going to sketch out an idea of what the visual is going to look like based on your word list exercise. So, you know, the combinations that we came up with over here for the different ideas that you might have, use those to create visual ideas and sketch them out. And then you'll also need to do the 3 comments on your classmates' first deadline items that they posted to our Facebook group. So after you've done those things by the second deadline, you need to compile it all into one PDF and upload it to iLearn by Saturday night. So that means it'll include your IPI plan, that's a screenshot of your Facebook post, the captions, the drafts of those, the word list combinations that you created from the first deadline. Then you'll also have your 3 comments or feedback for your peers. And then you'll have your final captions that you create along with their sketch that will go with it. That might be an easier way to organize your post or organize your submission, is to have the caption next to the sketch. Now remember, it's 7 captions for each channel. You have 2 channels, so that will be 14 captions. Now, some of them might be the same or very similar depending on what channels you've created. And so just keep that in mind, and your visual might be the same, or you might need to sketch out a slightly different visual depending on what your channels are. Then next week, in week 8, we will actually be finishing this unit by actually creating the visuals and finishing all the posts. So that's what's happening next week. Let me know if you have any questions. I did receive some feedback about our question board, and I just wanted to show you quick how to do this. If you want to tag me, you just go ahead and type in @ and then type my name in, and you can click on my name, and that's how it tags me, and you can just say, I have a question. And what it will do is it will just create that link right there. It'll ping me, and I'll get it directly to my phone. So if you have any questions, our discussion board the question board that's pinned to the top of our group is the best place to go. Or, you know, if it's a personal matter, go ahead and text me or email me, and I'll get back to you very quickly. Good luck this week. I'm excited to see what you guys come up with. Also, I will be posting an article to give you some ideas on what, you know, makes good quality content. So be sure to keep an eye out for that as well. Good luck this week. Bye.